So for formative 9 on drought, which is, by the way, due today, you're going to be graded on the same rubric that we've been grading you on, which is on your level of reasoning. How well are you able to connect and organize your ideas in response to the prompt, and how much detail you use in terms of relevant facts from the case studies, as well as the vocabulary you're using, and writing conventions, meaning your sentence structure, transitions, and your writing style. So I would take a second to look at that before you begin. For the task itself, you're going to choose 2 of these 3 case studies that are listed here: Texas, California, and Cape Town. And if you click the link, I click Texas, for example, it should bring you to a video. You're going to watch the video and you're going to look for how drought has affected these areas in terms of their environment, economy, and health. It would be a good idea to take notes on the costs of drought in terms of environment, economy, and health for 2 of these areas while you're watching the movie to make writing your paragraph easier after. So after you pick 2, watch 2, Texas, California, Cape Town, 2 of those 3, you're going to write a paragraph that compares and contrasts the 2 case studies' effects of drought on their environment, economy, and health. And if you look here, I gave you an outline. So the first sentence, you're going to want to introduce the 2 case studies that you choose. Just tell me which locations you chose. And for the next 2 to 3 sentences, you're going to be comparing similarities in the 2 case studies. So how does the drought affect each location's economy, environment, and health similarly? And you're going to want to give specific examples from both of the films for the case studies that you chose. Same thing with when you contrast. So you're going to contrast how the effects of drought differ from each case study. So like if I pick Texas and California, how did California experience the effects of drought a little bit differently than maybe in Texas? Was that difference economic? Was it in terms of how humans suffered from it? Right, again, you want to give specific examples from both of those films. So in the end, you should have about 6 sentence paragraph responding to this prompt.